Wait, I want you to listen to this before you click away from watching this video. Like, no one is going to be telling you not to go to school because you're not prepared or because of anything, but I'm going to be sharing this with you from experience. Like, if you're feeling like you really need to go to school, or you want to go to school because everyone is going, or because you just want to go, I plead you not to go because you're going to be feeling like you just want to spend or waste the whole time without learning anything. Like, there is this course I'm actually taking, that's advanced theory of structure. Like, that course is actually what triggers me to share this with you. If you are not actually prepared, please don't come here. This is just what I want to share with you. If you haven't made the decision to come to school, or if you're just planning, okay, let me go to school and have the certificate, like, I'm gonna be begging your pardon. If you are not actually prepared to come to any higher institution or to, so like, before any one of you come and blast me with all of your comments, please, like, I'm not saying you should not go to school or do anything, but I'm telling you to please, again, make the preparation before you actually decide if college is the best. I prefer telling you to consult a counselor, like, to counsel you if school should be the place you should go to, just to avoid you of feeling this imposter syndrome as a student, or you're just gonna be feeling so bad because some things you should know or which you don't know are gonna be dropping you out of the gang. There's some other things you can do with your life apart from thinking, okay, I need to go to school and have the certificate because everyone is doing it. Like, I believe all of you will like be watching this video now and be feeling, okay, you are already at school and you are telling us not to come. You don't really need to come here all because you want to have a certificate. Like, you just really need to be fixated into the part which you are good at doing. Your time needs to be measured properly. Imagine that. Think twice before you actually come to college or to come to any higher institution. Anyhow you want to do it, just do it. And please, your time is actually what you should manage before you I don't know. So before I leave this pulpit, I actually want to tell you guys that I'm starting my examination in 2 weeks, and I want you guys to actually support me. Like this is just the message I want to spread with everyone, like the good news of thinking from a different perspective. And I'm actually getting prepared for the examination so bad that I just have to talk to you because I've missed you, and hopefully I see you guys in the next video. Like, transition.